you could just tell us a little bit about, your story with the keratoconus and the success that you've had here, if you'd like.
Okay, my name is Joe Fernandez. I've struggled with my eye condition for a while now, years, and I couldn't do a lot of activities I used to enjoy. Um, let's say 5 years ago. Well, I honestly I didn't know I was gonna be able to see again this clear. I didn't believe it. I thought it was just gonna help a little bit better, and in my mind, I just have to get used to the fact of me not seeing that well, and yeah, this is a life changer. I can do a lot of things now. I enjoy little things like watching TV from far away from the couch. I have to put a chair close to see everything. Um, I like going to the shooting range a lot. I couldn't do that. Mm, it's just a lot of things have changed, and I'm really grateful for this. I just wish more people could hear about it because it took a long time for me to hear about this. And if I knew this was available, I would have done it years ago. So thank you so much again. Everybody was helpful here, and thanks again.
That's great.